Let's see what we got. Oh, stop, fossil. Fossil alert. Little piece of wood in there. It's kind of cool. All sorts of stuff. Look at this. This stuff almost looks like a shirt. It is. It almost is a shirt. Want to see what's inside it? Me too. Me too. Look at this stuff too. This stuff looks like some of the things that I've been cooking. Okay. I'll show you how I nap it too. Got you propped up in my knees. I might do this more often if it works. What's that? What is that? It's not anything worth keeping and bringing home, but as you can see, that's a really good cutting tool. Here, I'll demonstrate on this poor, unsuspecting plant. Poor, unsuspecting plant. See how oh, dumb. See, I just gotta watch the viewfinder, but I never do. Anyways. Yeah, I cut through that thing with this little rock. Anyways, that was harder to do than I wanted. Sun check. About a few more minutes. Oh, look at that, look at that. Oh, look at that rock. See, okay. See here? That's a little cone. I shouldn't be telling you my secrets, but this stuff looks nice. Well, at least you can't find this one. I've got my secret rock places, but I would prefer if you didn't steal all of my rocks. Okay. Balancing you. Let's see what we can do. Need a bigger rock. It's better. That is deceiving, huh? That's not nappable. Looks like it should be, though. But it's not. Oh yeah, no, it is. That's not bad. Better than the other things we were finding. Except for that one piece of agate. Hard to beat that piece of agate. Anyways, not worth keeping, but just goes to show you can make a cutting tool out of things. Like, if you're just out there, this would throw a spark too. I don't have anything steel with me though. I'll bring a pocket knife next time and I'll show you. But I'm here all weekend, so. Sorry. So I'll be out here again, hopefully. Okay. Tall beaver. Look at that. That's up to my thigh. It's been busy. See what we can find. Hope for the best. I found some beautiful rocks here. Oh, and some really good fossils too. 9 times out of 10 though, when I find a fossil, I'm not filming it. I usually have the camera on, but my hand's either too high or the camera's pointed too low, or maybe the other way around. And yeah. Alrighty. Let's see. I haven't heard you guys say stop yet, so... Oh, whoa, stop! Stop! Look at that. Looks like a bullseye, huh? Beauty. It's very grainy though. But let's see what's inside it. This thing has to weigh 10 pounds. Whew. Heavy rock. As you can see, hammerstones are scarce here. Okay, let's see what we can do. This is not the way you want to do this, by the way. There we go. Let's see what we got. Not bad. I don't know where the flake. Oh, there it is. Let's see what we got. Now that's what you call leverite. But I like working this stuff, so I don't call it leverite. A lot of people do, though. I'm leverating it. Oh, I can't say that. Okay, let me try again. I'm leverating it today. Still can't say it. Oh well, let's look for more rocks. If anybody saw me, they would be like, crazy guy, looking at rocks and filming, talking to himself. That's alright. You keep me company, it's good. You see, I spend a lot of my life alone. It's sad, but it's true. College life. It's hard being really antisocial in college. It's really hard. Somehow I'll manage. I just have to say I like rocks and then they... Let's see what's in here. Nothing. Alrighty. Oh, more coal! Look at that! I want to find some good things. I should take my time. Smell the flowers. Look at rocks. This is what I like. This view right here. This is my favorite view. Doesn't matter what river, but like, look at all the rocks. It's my favorite. This makes my heart happy. You should come join me. Come share in the beautiful rocks. If you don't like rocks, it's kind of just obstacles, but let's go look at that cool cliff up there. Looks kind of cute. Let's see what's up there. Find some rocks along the way, hopefully. Oh, look, a rock! A rock. Oh, there's another rock. I haven't heard you say stop for a while, too, though. So, I guess there's just no rocks here. Whoa. That's a rock. There's a rock. Looks like another one of those black ones, huh? That's when you nod. You nod at your computer screen. There's a black one. Yeah, see, it's like almost like silicified shale or something, fused coal. But as you can see, it's not nappable. Look, that's where it's cracking. It's like stepping. And I didn't even hit it in that direction. Anyways, moving on. Let's go move on and see some new rocks. Whoa. There's a rock. Look at that rock. It's all cracky. It's all crackledy. Oh, but sometimes there's really nice ones. What else should we talk about? There's all sorts of cool stuff. I really hope that there's no water underneath me. By water, I mean liquid water, not ice. or snow.